Morning po sir, today I will present to you my first recorded video recitation about kinematics and one dimension. So our problem is the position of the particle which moves along straight line is by the relation x is equals to t cubed minus 6t squared minus 15t plus 40, where x is expressed in feet and t is in seconds. So determine the following for letter A, the time at which velocity is 0. So, ang hinahanap dito is time. So, the given distance natin, x is equals to t cubed minus 6t squared minus 15t plus 40. So, ang una natin gagawin dito is kukunin muna natin yung velocity. To get the velocity, we have to get the first derivative of the distance. So, derivative ng t cubed is 3t squared. Derivative ng negative 6t squared is negative 12t. Derivative ng negative 15t is equals to negative 15, and derivative ng 40 is 0. So, that's our velocity. Since may common factor yung equation na to, which is 3, i-divide natin yung equation sa 3. So, 3t squared divided by 3 is equals to t squared. Negative 12t divided by 3 is equals to negative 40. Negative 15 divided by 3 is equals to negative 5. So, mayroon na tayong t squared minus 4t minus 5, which is quadratic equation. So, para makuha natin yung t, gagamit tayo ng factoring. So, the quantity of t minus 5 multiplied to the quantity of t plus 1. So, t is equals to 5 seconds and t is equals to negative 1. Since walang negative sa time natin, i-ignore na lang natin tong negative 1. So, ang kukunin lang natin is yung 5 seconds. So, this is our final answer. So, let's proceed for letter B, the position and distance traveled by the particle at that time. So, our distance is the same, t cubed minus 6t squared minus 15t plus 40. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is substitution ng time na nakuha natin, which is 5 seconds, and the time at 0 seconds. So, the time at 5 seconds, so x is equals to 5 raised to 3 minus 6 times 5 raised to 2 minus 15 times 5 plus 40 is equals to negative 60 feet. So, for time at 0 seconds naman, x is equals to 0 raised to 3 minus 6 times 0 raised to 2 minus 15 times 0 plus 40. So, which is equals to 40 feet. So, that's for 0 second. So, para naman makuha yung distance, isusubtract lang natin yung nakuha natin na value at time at 5 seconds, and which is negative 60 feet, and the time at 0 seconds na nakuha natin, which is 40 feet. So, negative 60 minus 40, which is equals to negative 100 feet. So, that's our final answer. So, let's proceed for problem letter C, the acceleration of the particle at that time. So, ang hinahanap po dito is acceleration. So, para makuha po yung acceleration, we have to get the second derivative ng distance. So, since nakuha na natin yung first derivative ng distance, which is the velocity, is equals to 3t squared minus 12t minus 15. So, ang gagawin na natin para makuha yung acceleration equation is i-derive na natin ulit yung velocity. So, derivative ng 3t squared is equals to 6t. And the derivative ng negative 12t is negative 12. And derivative ng negative 15 is 0. So, isa-substitute na lang natin yung time na nakuha natin at 5 seconds sa equation ng acceleration. So, 6 times 5 minus 12, which is equals to 18 feet per second squared. And that is the final answer for the acceleration. So, let's proceed for problem letter D, the last problem. The distance traveled by the particle from t is equals to 4 seconds to t is equals to 6 seconds. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito ay substitution ng time to the distance equation. So, meron tayong time na 4 seconds, substitute lang natin. 4 raised to 3 minus 6 times 4 raised to 2 minus 15 times 4 plus 40. which give us the value of x to the time of 4 seconds is equals to negative 52 feet. So, at the time of t is equals to 3 seconds. So 3 seconds kasi from 4 seconds to 6 seconds, mayroon tayong 3 seconds na na-consume. So, isa-substitute lang natin siya sa distance equation. 3 raised to 3 minus 6 times 3 raised to 2 minus 15 times 3 plus 40, which give us the value of x at the time of 3 seconds is equals to negative 32 feet. So, para makuha natin yung value ng distance, ang gagawin lang natin is subtract natin yung value ng x at the time of 4 seconds and value ng minus to the value of x at the time of 3 seconds, which is negative 32 feet and negative 52 feet. So, negative 52 feet minus negative 32 feet is equals to negative 20 feet. X is equals to negative 20 feet. So, this is the final answer for the distance.